Good morning, everybody. It is day 72, and today is a big day. We are hitting the second stop of the Virginia Triple Crown at McAfee Knob. And I think our plan is to camp at the Pig Farm campsite, which is just past McAfee Knob. And then tomorrow morning, we're going to try to backtrack up to McAfee Knob and catch a sunrise there. So this area in particular, it's kind of like the Smokies. It's restricted to where you can camp. So you can only camp at designated campsites or shelters, which is, you know, to prevent people from like stealth camping up at the top of the knob, and I don't know. But yeah, so that is our plan because we've heard it's like a really stellar sunrise, which that puts us at like just under a 12-mile day, I believe. So shouldn't be too bad. We did sleep in this morning, almost denied, and got kind of a later start. I don't think we left camp until like just before 9 o'clock or so. And I'm not regretting it, but it is already like super hot outside. So that's kind of unfortunate, but because it's a shorter day, we were like, we might as well just like sleep in a little bit and try to get some extra rest. So yeah, I will keep you guys posted along the way. View from Rory's Rest. Whole lot of trees. It's where we just came from, all the way down there. Some nasty looking clouds rolling in. Starting to hear the thunder grumbling. I think we might get rained on at some point, but it wouldn't feel too bad right now, actually. In case you guys were wondering, it's hot. Every inch of me is pouring sweat right now. I ended up taking off my shirt because it was just drenched. Oh man. Like, even, you know, it's bad like when your arms and legs start dripping sweat. And like the crazy thing is, it's not even that hot. It's not even lunchtime yet. Like, I think it's like 11:30 right now. Dude, it's the humidity, man. It's bad. It's really bad. I thought being from Mississippi, I would be like, not immune to it, but more acclimated to it. But I don't think that's the case, because I am dying. No one is safe out here, folks. No one. Little turtle on the trail. Can't really see him because he's hiding. Let me see if I can like... Oh. Here he is. Oh. Hello, little deer.
So, may I have a moment of your time to talk about your car extended warranty? Come back. Oh, I'm just chilling.
Sir, where are you going?
I'll try to scout for both of us.
All right.
I know what size your tent is.
McAfee Knob.
Why do you sound like that? I hope you post that.
You just ruined my video.
McAfee Knob.
McCafe Knob. McKeef Knob.
McDonald's McCafe Knob.
In all her glory. Got some decent views at McAfee Knob, and then this huge cloud just rolled in, but that's okay. We still got our shots. And here's the view from the like edge of McAfee Knob. So still a decent viewer there. We actually had to wait out some rain earlier. There was some lightning, so we didn't want to be up on top of here during the storm, but clouds are definitely rolling in. That's so funny. Well, it's the end of day 73, and it just started raining right after we were wrapping up dinner. So I am tucked in my tent. It's been a good day. We hit McAfee Mount today. We had some pretty good views. And be sure to check back on tomorrow's video because we're going to try to circle back in the morning for sunrise and hopefully catch like a really awesome sunrise at McAfee's Knob. So yeah, it hasn't been too bad of a day. We actually made it into camp by like a reasonable hour tonight, like just after 5. So that was nice, just to have kind of like rest this afternoon. So yeah, really good day. Very hot though, really sweaty. But check back again tomorrow to see that sunrise at McAfee's Knob.